What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I am repotting some of these plants. None of them are really busting out the pots, but some of them are getting pretty big. And if I don't get to it now, there's a good chance I might forget, time might pass, and then just might have a, a more difficult time taking them out of these pots. So that's what we're doing. Some of the pots that I have are 1 gallon pots. Others are just old lettuce containers that I've tried this in before and it works pretty damn good. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the video.
So I'm done for tonight. So recap: cilantro, parsley, thyme, rosemary. I need to plant some more rosemary. I added some more thyme and I added some more cilantro, although that's not the new cilantro. I like cilantro. Scallions, I added them to the party. Why not? Nothing. Catnip. Loose leaf lettuce. Igloo lettuce. Remove these so you can get a better view. Hold that thought for a minute. Keep holding it. Alright. Yeah. And that pot right there. Ignore that. I don't have to have that box there, but it helps the lighting. That light closer to them. That's why cilantro is grown so wonderful. Alright. Down here we have loose leaf lettuce and Caesar lettuce. I got them situated on something to get them closer to the light. What you see in the background is a sweet potato. I didn't intentionally have this sprout, but it's sprouting like nobody's business. And those starts, each one that you break off can be an entire. I got a couple of different seeds. I'm sprouting a different couple seeds in here in these bags. The reason I have this like this is because I find that the paper towel and the plastic bag are beginning to mold. Shit, they don't tell you, right? Down here, we still got the bell pepper. We got the, not bell peppers. We have the Scotch bonnet, cayenne. We have another kale. This kale got burned when I had the heater on. That's a thing that happens. They burn. Fuck it, let me bring this over. Be careful, because these are my giant Swiss chards. As you can see, they actually look different. Well, you may not be able to see it or remember what the other Swiss chard looked like, but these look different. They do appear different. Let me see if I can zoom in. They're different, and I'm excited. Can't fucking wait. So, right. Right, so my kale got burned. My collard greens got burned, but they're hanging on. I still see leaves that look pretty healthy. So, well, at least one leaf. I don't know about this one. Time will tell. Right? Tomato. I think this one is a micro. That's algae. That's the tomato plant. And then this is the orange. Oh, that's colored. This is the orange. So, like I said, they got burned, too much heat, but again, they look like they're hanging on. So, again, time to tell. Time to tell. I started some more of the tomatoes inside of here as well. Fuck it, I'll show you. That's the microsome. It says microsome. The butter crunch. None of my butter crunch seeds sprouted, so I decided to go with this method and see if I get any traction. We'll see, hopefully. The orange hat. That's a micro tomato plant. And then mint is at the bottom. Realizing I like certain herbs that I don't have, I decided to using the same method as this. I started chives, basil, and oregano. Excuse me. Those seeds actually sprouted, and when I say sprouted, I just mean roots. So I didn't see any leaves, but I saw roots, so we got some traction. I hurried up and put them in the dirt inside of this. This is like me attempting to keep them warm. Doesn't really work, but it's better than anything like this. That's my trusty heater. Although it was not on top of them, I had it on a higher setting, and it burned them. So remember the ginger plant that I bought? This is the setup with it, because My cat's food is right there, and I don't like the light directly in their face. The grow lights, I do not like them directly in their face. So in an attempt to block the light but also trap the light, first of all, let me zoom out so you can see how big this pot is. It's a big pot. It's like that pot over there, just full of soil. So yeah, my contraption, you saw that hair? My contraption, let me get off this fucking shot. My contraption of the lighting is some weird looking shit because I had to maneuver to get the light low. Because this plant came from, I think, Texas or somewhere. It was on a long journey before it got here, and it needed the rehab. So behind this paper is a grow light for you and some Trapify traps, just in case anything tries to, fly in here or something. Yeah, niggas ain't living with me. No. So that's the ginger. Yeah, that's the ginger. It's not a typical ginger. I think it was like a mango ginger or something. I've never had it. Excited. We'll see. This little one right here, holding on for dear life. This one actually surprised me. I thought it was on its way out, but it held on strong. This one seems awfully healthy as well. This one over here, pretty much the same condition as when I got her. So holding on strong, like, yeah. So this is my tank, and I'm not gonna say my tank. This is my method, and shit is working because I don't know how long ago I got this plant. It's been at least 7 days, and it's still here. That's saying something. So yeah. Lettuce, so another lettuce in there, and then all the way up there, all the way up here, we have kale, collard, kale Swiss. The light is coming off the ceiling. At some point, I'll give you guys a full shot of my tower, but being that, I have to prop up the lettuce, the lettuce. I could drop this light. I can't drop these lights because they're fixed to the wood. So zooming out, you can see it has to be elevated, otherwise it's just not gonna get any light. The plant being all the way down here, how? It'll get the light, but it'll struggle. No point. Let's put it right up under. And yeah, same with these. They needed a little assistance. And yes, those are the same size pots. So you understand the gap, the distance between the shelving, the bottom shelf and the upper shelf, which the distance is good for when the plants begin to finally grow. However, initially they need to be close. So yeah, that's everything thus far. I'm still waiting on these guys. I got some ginger, I got some turmerics. I'm waiting for them to bud. Nathan yet. This one looks like, y'all heard my son? This one looks like it's really struggling, but it's coming along, right? It's coming along. I do believe that these will be, I don't want to say shoots, because what happens is they turn green. They shoot out like the garlic. I'm growing garlic also. I'm just waiting on it. I'm gonna grow some potatoes. Just waiting on them. They're already growing. Waiting. Just waiting. Patiently waiting. I'm gonna run over here. This is like my little growing area. This is where I put the stuff to dry out. But soon enough, when I have more plants, they'll be getting light. Oh, yeah, guys. This shit is fun for me. It may not be fun for y'all, but I find a lot of solace and peace in gardening. And one day, very soon, I'll have that backyard and vast spaces. Yeah, this one is really coming along too. I thought about putting it in the dirt, but I was like, these roots are dead. I'm not gonna do that. However, what I'm thinking is I might put these in water and see if something happens. I don't know. Oh yeah, ginger. And I'm doing the same thing with some ginger I bought from the store. I'm just waiting. And if not, I'm eating it in the meantime. I put this in my tea every morning. The tea and the ginger and the turmeric go in my tea every morning.
Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.